Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi. Today we'll have a look at this. This is a beautiful 2022 Mitsubishi RVR in Canada, Outlander Sport in US, ASX in other parts of the world. And we'll have a look today at this. Two very subtle elements on the vehicle is going to make a very big visual change. So what we'll do is we'll add this beautiful red strip on the rocker panel and this red finishing, so to speak, on the front right here. And those two things, it's very subtle, it's not a lot in your face accessory kind of thing, but they will make a very big visual difference. So now let's have a look how to install them. Okay, so this part right here goes here underneath the door, basically on the rocker panel right here. Before you install anything, you got to make sure the surface is clean. There's no dust, no oily stains, no nothing, so it sticks right, okay? And then after that, it's quite easy. So basically, you remove the strip, and then it's on this tape. So essentially, always before you peel this tape off and glue it on, you always want to measure it up where it belongs in its place. If you haven't done a lot of accessory installs, like, take your time, don't rush. Otherwise, you'll put it on and it'll stick there forever, and it's not going to be nice. So this one here, okay, let's measure it up where it goes. It goes exactly underneath the door right here, and then right now, basically, it's as simple as that. So we remove it a little bit, and then we start to put it here, and then basically go all the way to the back. So now I don't like to remove all that tape right away, because the entire thing is going to be sticky. It can stick to the doors and whatnot. Remove it bit by bit. And then let's just find the perfect spot for it first. Oh, need to move it a little bit. See, I had to move it and I had the flexibility to do it. Okay, so this is the perfect spot, and we just go bit by bit. Okay, next little bit. Next little bit. Next little bit. And now let's do the rest of the thing. Awesome. So don't apply a lot of pressure right away, just in case you might need to peel it back a little bit. But now that it's installed, we do put some pressure on it. Make sure it sticks. You can also use a heat gun to heat it up a little bit. Okay. And this other part is going to be for the this door part. There we go. Same thing. Let's find the perfect position where it has to go first. Measure it up where it's going to sit, and only then we peel off. And same thing, don't peel off everything right away. Do bit by bit. Let's place it where it belongs. There we go. Okay, halfway through we can remove the rest of the sticky tape. There we go. Same thing here. Now that it's on, we can put a little bit of pressure. Okay, this side is done. Let's go and do the front now. Okay, and for the front, it's quite simple. So it goes around here, and this will make the front pop quite a bit as well. So same thing, we just remove it first, find its place where it belongs, Okay, right here. Nice. Okay, this is going to be a little bit trickier to measure up, but we'll manage it. Okay, like this. Same thing. Just peel the initial part off. Put it in its place. Okay, we got it. Then do the second part. One's down. And now the last. Okay, now that we got it, put some pressure on. Make sure it sticks real well. And now we cover these parts as well. So nothing changes. First we measure up. Okay, goes in here. Perfect. And these ones we can remove the whole thing right away. Okay, it's done. Now the middle part. Oops. There we go. That's what I mean by always put it on first. See if it's matching where you want to place it, and only then put it on. Otherwise you put it upside down by mistake and it will look like a mistake. Okay. Here's the last one. And now that everything's on, same thing. Put a little bit of pressure on, make sure it sticks. And we are done. And now let's check out the overall end result. So cool, here's the end result. So this is what we did. Like I mentioned before, this one will not give us this like big wow factor when it comes to like some accessories that really stand out, but this gives you this subtle thing, you know, that's on the vehicle that has a very good visual enhancement, and you could easily do it yourself. It stands out enough to notice it, especially because this is red and we put it on the black vehicle. Side is noticeable a lot, and the front, same thing. If you look at the front, it stands out a lot, that red part. That looks really good. Small thing, but quite a bit noticeable. So there we go, we just installed some nice accessories on the RVR, Outlander Sport or ASX, depending on which country you're from. I think it makes a very big, nice visual difference. Hope you liked it too. Leave a comment if you did, leave a comment if you didn't. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.